Listen, my dear friends. This brain, God put it there for it to think. It's got to do a job. You can't stop it. This is to think. If we do not preoccupy this with the word of God, Psalms, it's going to be preoccupied with the word of the world, which is placed in the bosom of Satan. If you do not get busy with Christ, you will end up being busy with Satan. Because this is it. It's either the light, Jesus Christ, or the darkness, Satan. You can never claim to be free. Please give up on this nonsense. You're not free. There is no such thing as its freedom. There is no such thing as democracy. Please stop listening to the mainstream media. Please stop listening to the Western world speaking about United Nations, human rights. This is evil nonsense. They have enslaved the human race under the banner of human rights. I beg you, they have enslaved the human being under the banner of human rights. Because there is no freedom in the world. The world is placed in the bosom of Satan, the killer of mankind, the snake, the poisonous cobra. The Lord has revealed Satan in 2020. He made him surface up. Satan would never surface up. He's a submarine. He likes to do things in disguise, in quietness, in the depth. But the Lord forced him to surface up. He wants humanity to see. He's opening the eyes of those who are willing to listen to Christ. Those who are willing to listen to Christ, He is opening your eyes. What has been happening in recent years, it is absolute satanic. But all done in the name of human rights, democracy, United Nations. United Nations is built on something of the ancient times, the Tower of Babylon. Where I come from, baby. Hello, Habibi. United Nations is a replica of the Tower of Babel. Thousands of years ago. What is the Tower of Babel? Human rights, not God's rights. If you speak about God's rights, they will stone you to death. They will cast you out of their assembly. They will ridicule you and they will persecute you. How dare you say God disapproves of this? Look what they did to the Supreme Court in America for going against abortion. Oh, they slain this judge, poor thing. But you know what? God bless you, my dear friend. You're a man of God and you are a great judge. Well done. Put your hands together for this judge. You have your body and you do whatever you want with it. It's not your body. You little fool. And this baby in that womb is not yours to do whatever you want. Life is not yours. Simply, did you create this life? No. Since you are not the creator, then be quiet. You have no right. You have no right to do whatever with this life. Neither your life is yours, nor the baby in your womb is yours.